Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your Destiny 2 game's cache. In order to clear cache on Destiny 2, go ahead and open up the settings application from your device. And inside settings, go to the apps section and tap on it. Under apps, go ahead and look for Destiny 2 game and tap on it. On the next page, click on storage. Now click on clear data at the bottom, and in the pop-up click on clear cache. In the pop-up click OK, and this will delete the cache data from your Destiny 2 game. After you do that, you will be able to delete your cache file from Destiny 2 on your smartphone or your tablet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.